is abstract art?
It's like you draw and it can be anything. It can turn out to be anything.
Okay.
Abstract art is like shapes to make a picture.
Shapes to make a picture, okay. So let's see what abstract art is. It is artwork of people, animals, or places that do not show exactly as they appear in the real world. In this type of style, artists mainly uses color and shapes to show
Emotions. Some abstract art is also called non-objective art.
in non-objective art, you do not see specific objects. It is not painted to look like something specific. Now I'm going to show you some examples of abstract art, and this art is by an artist called Picasso.
In this episode, we're going to take a look at 4 geometry terms: endpoints, segments, rays, and lines. This is an endpoint, and it represents a single point in space. Endpoints are given names so we can refer to their location. In geometry, we give them letter names. This is endpoint A. We take 2 endpoints, endpoint B and endpoint C, and we connect them. What we have just made is something called a segment. To describe a segment, we take the 2 letter names of the endpoints and use the symbol for a segment, which is similar to the look of a segment, which is a straight line. If we connect 2 endpoints, in this case D and E, and we connect them and allow one side of that segment to continue on forever, and this arrow represents a continuing line, we call that a ray. To describe a ray, we use the 2 endpoints, and again, use a symbol. In this case, the symbol matches the look of the ray, a segment with an arrow on one end. If we connect 2 endpoints, in this case endpoint F and G, and we connect them and continue on in both directions forever, we have just made a line. A line is described similarly with the 2 endpoints and a symbol that has a segment with arrows on both ends. Again, our 4 terms are endpoint, segment, ray, and line.
How to use the tracing paper. Okay, first we're going to start with your diagram. Because remember, your criteria, you can only use lines, straight lines. Diagonal, vertical, horizontal. Right?
Yes.
Right.
So your only lines you're using are straight lines. Now they can go in any direction, but they have to be straight what? Lines. All right. You can use 3 polygons. Right?
Yep.
Yes. How many? 3. Okay. Here's a picture of Nemo. Here's my tracing paper. Now, to understand what we're doing. Okay, what I have here is a fish, right?
Yes.
Now you saw when she was tracing over the picture how she was doing it. So I can use
straight line. I need to have a straight line because it's at the bottom of my triangle. Okay, and we're going to let that part be a part of Nemo's body. And then for the rest of Nemo, I could possibly use a couple of straight lines. Okay, so let's put a straight line there.
He got another one.
Okay, and he has another fin. So what do you want to make this fin look like?
Triangle.
Or you can have it look like a hexagon.
remember I'm doing an abstract what? Picture. So it's not gonna look exactly like the what? Picture because I'm supposed to be using straight lines.
Okay, and my opposite sides are congruent. So it looks more like a rectangle here. But we're still using what? Polygons. Now, my criteria tells me that I can only use 3 shapes, correct?
Yes.
So I have my rectangles, I have my triangles, and I have a hexagon. So do I have the criteria yet? Yes.
What direction is a line that goes from north to south?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Yes.
Okay, what about what direction is a line that goes from east to west?
Horizontal.
Okay, very good.
You see what I'm saying? So you're not gonna be able to do the outside edges of it.